Welcome. In front of me is an STK LIFE 9, and today I'll show you how you can put the device into fastboot mode. So to get started, you'll want to power off the device. So hold power key, choose power off, and wait for it to turn off, which will be indicated by the vibration. Okay, that was the vibration. So once it's off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. This will take you to the boot mode. So in here, using only volume up, you want to select middle option, fastboot mode. So just make sure that the arrow is in a basically second position. It will cycle through, so going down and then jumping straight to the first option, as you will see. So make sure it's on the second one, and then press volume down, confirm it. And there we go. As you can see, it just adds you this little rating right here, safe mode, or fastboot mode. What am I saying? Safe mode, fastboot mode, and that's it. So that is how you boot your device into this mode. And to leave it, I believe we can just hold the power key till screen turns off. So I'm gonna test it right now. There we go. And as you can see, it automatically turns back on. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.